Once again, DANGAMVURA is gathered, not to witness a robbery case or somebody arguvura hombe, but the beautiful game has united us. Today at the ceremonial grounds of Nyamauru High, a ground with a history that goes beyond what we can imagine. From the days of barons up to the days of A Drive, it was production of raw talent after raw talent that even goes to represent Zimbabwe. Today we are about to witness magic on Africa Day. It's Area 13 versus Area 14 on an Africa Day. This is the DANGAMVURA Derby. Area 13 versus Area 14. It's a boom. That's what I can say. All I can say is life is amazing.
No food on the plate, but mama always says, son, don't hesitate. She said life's gonna be better, just hold on tight. Now I'm living proof the struggles for the fight. I'm from the bottom, but I made it to the top, and I won't stop till I reach the highest track. I'm grateful for the journey, for the trials and strife. I'm strong and wise, and I'm ready for life. I won't forget where I came from. I won't forget the pain. I'll use it as a fuel to drive forward. At a 13, 40, it ain't no job day and night. Kept pushing, grinding, try to make a way. Now I'm standing here, cause something to see. Life is amazing if you're hard on top. Don't matter where you came from.
Oh my, look at that go. This is entertainment at its best. Damn. These are the type of goals that deserve the Puskas Award. Wow. He might be a contender of the Ballon d'Or. This. Wow. Wow. This is absolutely beautiful. This is amazing. Look at the pressure. Look at the attack. Wow. Everyone is here for business. Look at the pace of the game. This is entertainment at its best. Wow, can't believe what I'm witnessing right now. Attack after attack.
I remember nights, no food on the plate, but mama always says, son, don't hesitate. She said life's gonna be better, just hold on tight. Now I'm living proof the struggles for the fight. I'm from the bottom, but I made it to the top, and I won't stop till I reach the highest track. I'm grateful for the journey, for the trials and strife. I'm strong and wise, and I'm ready for life. I won't forget where I came from. I won't forget the pain. I'll use it as a fuel to drive more to sustain. I'm a product of Zimbabwe. I'm a product of grind. I'm rising up. We came from the bottom, now we something. Life is amazing.
The whole crowd is enjoying every single moment. What a feeling to be in DANGAMVURA right now. Wow. Oh, the game is now intense. We have now entered the high pressure zone of the game. Everyone wants a win here. It's Area 13 versus Area 14. Wow, what a moment. This is amazing.
Listen, I was down, but I never gave up. At a 13, 40, it ain't no job day and night. Kept pushing, grinding,
You see some clever passes over there. Oh, that's a dangerous attack from Area 14. Oh. This was the first half. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.
I won't forget why I came for. I won't forget the pain. I'll use it as a fuel to drive me to sustain. I'm a product of Zimbabwe. I'm a product of grind.